Hey creators, students, and hustlers, ready to supercharge your work in 2025 without spending a dime? Today, we're diving into the top 5 free AI tools you need to try. These tools will save you time, spark creativity, and level up your projects. Let's jump in. First up, coming in hot at number 5, CapCut AI. CapCut is your go-to for creating viral short videos. Its free AI features like auto captions and background removal make editing a breeze. Perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Reels. The catch: some fancy effects need a paid plan, but the free version is plenty powerful for most creators. Next up, number 4, Hugging Face. Hugging Face is an open-source hub for free AI models. Whether you're into text generation, translation, or even building a chatbot, it's got you covered. No coding skills. Try their hosted demos. It's a bit technical, but perfect for students or devs learning AI on a budget. At number 3, it's DALL Mini, also known as Craiyon. Need quick, free AI art? DALL Mini turns your text prompts into images in seconds. Think memes, concept art, or social media visuals. It's not as polished as premium tools, but it's free, fast, and no sign-up needed. Perfect for creators experimenting with visuals. Coming in at No. 2, Canva AI. Canva's free AI tools like Magic Write and Magic Design let you create stunning graphics, presentations, or videos with ease. Just type a prompt and boom, professional designs in minutes. The free plan has tons of templates, though some advanced features need a subscription, a must for marketers and creators. And the number 1 free AI tool for 2025 is ... Grok, created by xAI. Grok is your ultimate AI assistant. It answers questions, helps with research, and sparks creative ideas, all for free on Grok.com or its mobile apps. Voice mode is a game changer for hands-free use. Free tier has usage limits, but check out Super Grok for more power. It's like having a genius sidekick. So there you have it, the top 5 free AI tools for 2025. From video editing to AI art and research, these tools will take your projects to the next level. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments below. Now here's the deal. We know you're here because you're curious about AI. You're a creator. Maybe a student looking to ace that big project, or just someone who loves tech. Either way, AI is changing the game, and we want you to stay ahead of the curve. But how do you spot the good stuff amidst this AI gold rush? That's where we come in. We're the creators of a newsletter that cuts through the noise. Every week, we hand-deliver the best AI stories, tools, and trends straight to your inbox. Think of it as your cheat code to staying ahead in this AI revolution. And the best part, it's all free. We're talking breaking news, cool tools, and even AI myths debunked. Plus, you'll score early access to our interviews with AI's biggest players. Don't just take our word for it. Check out what others are saying. It's not just a newsletter. It's your AI guide in this ever-evolving world. As far if you're ready to dive deep into the AI wave, hit that subscribe button. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for joining us today. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button. We've got more awesome content coming your way. Until next time, keep hustling and stay curious. For those of you who made it this far, we've got a bonus waiting. Here's a quick breakdown of the tools we covered. CapCut AI, great for short-form video editing. Hugging Face, perfect for developers or AI learners. DALL Mini, ideal for quick AI art. Canva AI, your go-to for design and social media. And Grok, your ultimate AI assistant. Stay tuned for more.